Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I literally just got my Stray Kids in Life limited album delivered like 5 minutes ago. I heard the doorbell ring and I ran to grab it. So finally, it was supposed to be here on Friday and then it got held up, I think in like customs or something. So yay, it's here. So yeah, let's just dive in. So we have a black cover this time. So I was actually seeing on Twitter, on my other video, when I unboxed the standard versions, I was like so confused as to like the layout of how to open this, because it was like backwards and upside down. But someone mentioned that it's like opening up a back door. Duh. I'm so silly. Okay, and also, so it came with that like pre-order card, and I got Sungmin, but I didn't open up this thing, and I should have the last time, because it's like a mini photo book. I forgot that that's what the pre-order thing was. So, it's like, open it, ooh. Wow, Sungmin. Oh my gosh. Wow, he looks beautiful. So yeah, it opens up like a little mini accordion photo book type thing. And I'm so sorry I didn't do that on my last video, if you watched it. I had no idea. I was debating whether to open it up on camera, but I was like, nah. It's like, it's just in the plastic thing and it's fine. You can see it. I should have. So I'm sorry. But okay, let's get back to this. So we have the cover, we got the spine, the back, ooh, holographic, and the track list. So I have the standard albums here, and I just wanted to show you how it all like lines up. And it goes like this, yeah. See, isn't that so cool? It lines up for the SKZ logo. Yay! Can't wait to put those on my shelf. Alright. So, let's open this up. Ooh. Black and white and orange. I love it. Okay. Oh. Again, I forget what comes with this. So, ah! I'm like seeing everything. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's too much. It's too much. Okay. We'll get to that after. Oh, jeez. I don't know what that is either. Okay. Anyway. Wow. That's a lot of stuff. So here's the CD itself. Nice. Back to the side. Photo book. Oh, nice. They like combine the orange and the yellow. Ooh. John. Yes. He has such a beautiful side profile. Wow. Oh my god. I see you, Felix. Changmin. Oh my god. Group photo. Hyunjin! Oh my gosh, that's the picture. That's the teaser picture that I lost my mind over. He looks so cool. I love those contacts on him. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god, that picture is so beautiful. Aww. Cuties. Jisung. It's so beautiful. my gosh, close up. No freckles this time. Zoom in. Again, I love him with this black hair this era. He is looking so good. Ian, baby Ian. You're not so baby anymore. Oh my god. Okay, again, song lyrics and credits. And then member thank yous, staff credits, and there we have it. Okay, so there's the photo book. Here, let me put that the right way. Okay, now let's go through these things. Okay, so we got the door hanger. Cute, stay only. Those are Mino's drawings. You got a little Chan worm dude. Oh man, this is so cute. Okay, so it has a drawing from everybody, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Cute. I don't know if there's like different versions of that or not. Okay, so then we have like the unit card. Yay, I finally get this one. I didn't have this one yet. Okay, I think double-sided. Singmin. That's so funny. Every album I've gotten with the pre-order card, I have their member photo card too. Okay. Back. 3 Racha again. Yes. I don't have this one either. Okay, so I have 2 3 Racha ones and then a Dance Racha one. Ooh, Chan. These are cool. Wow. Neat. I wish I had gotten more limited albums. I think I have a few in a group order, but I should have gotten like 8 so I could get one of every member. Wow. Okay, and then this. I don't know. I think mini poster maybe? What is this? Oh. Whoa. Oh my god. Okay, so these are the photos that I've been kind of seeing on Twitter a little bit. Wow. Wow. Oh my god, they look amazing. They really are kings. Is there anything on the back? I think just the in life symbol. Wow, that's beautiful. I don't know how I'm going to display that. I can't really put it in my binder because then you can't really see anything. So I'm going to have to decide how to organize that. All right. Well, that concludes my opening of this album. I'm not even going to bother putting it back in there because I'm just going to work on my photo binder. So, thank you so much for joining me today. And I hope you have a great day. I'm still waiting on my stay in playground. Ooh, sorry, excuse me. I'm still waiting on my stay in playground photo books. My group order manager said that she's packing them up, sorting them and packing them up this week. So I should have it by next week. So thank you. And we have Stray Kids Japan album that's being teased this week. And then apparently they have maybe a comeback in December as well. So I can't breathe, y'all. So, alright, I hope you guys have a great day or a great night, and I will see you later. Thanks so much. Bye.